In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to find your Wells Fargo account number. Let's get started. First, launch your Wells Fargo app or navigate to the official website of Wells Fargo, provide your credentials and log into your account. Now from the list of accounts, select the checking, savings or other eligible account you are looking for. Tap on the account to open the account details. Then look for an option such as account details, account information or show account number. For security reasons, you may be asked to verify your identity before the full account number is displayed. Another easy way to locate your account number is by checking your monthly Wells Fargo statement. Whether you receive paper statements or e-statements, your account number is typically shown near the top of the statement along with your account information. If you have a Wells Fargo checkbook, your account number is also printed on the bottom of each check. It's the series of numbers located after the routing number and before the check number. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.